Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the Google Pixel stand. This is an accessories that you can use with your Google Pixel phones. Like it supports from Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL, which has wireless charging. And this is the dedicated charger that supports your Google Pixel with fast charging. I haven't checked out the fast charging with the Spigen. I will tell you out about that later on. But first of all, we will open this up and we'll see what we get here and how the quality of the materials that Google is providing us. So why wait? Let's open this up. So as you can see here, there is the normal polythene bag here, and we will tear this up. So this product is not available in India till now. It is exclusively available in Amazon.com, and I bought it from there. And Amazon is shipping this product to India if you want to buy this stuff. So now, wow, this looks good. The build quality is nice. I think it has a rubbery feel to it, but I don't think that it will break. Yes, but if you push it, I think it will break. So don't do that, my friends. It's quite. I'm also trying to bend it. It's like it's weak. It's weak. Don't try to push it. It's just like you have to put the phone out there, and it will work like your dock also. So we get the, as usual, USB-C port here, some tethering for your wire, charging cable, and this is the charging pad. So let us open this up and we'll check what we get inside here. This was the charging pad here. I will put this away. Now we get here. Okay, it's a Google. I don't know. It's Google. Okay, it's how to use the Get Started guide. Here we get some safety informations. And thank you, Google. You have given me a charger, but it's American charger. No worries about it. I can use it if you have your wall plug with multiple options, as I have in my home. It will be no problem for me to use this device. Also, you get the cable. This is a good thing that Google has done. They are providing the wireless charger with the adapter and the cable. Samsung do learn this, and I don't know Apple chargers. I haven't quite get it till now, but it's a good thing that I got this. So let me put this all aside. I'll connect this charger and I'll come back and I'll show you how it works. So we will go ahead and open this up because I think this is the longer version of cable that is provided with the phone as compared with the phone. You need to just pull the tab here. It's quite tight, but it removes well. Okay. Now as you can see here, these two are open up. Okay, here we go. We need to open this too. Wow. Okay. The packaging is really nice. I don't know where Google is making this, in Vietnam or in China. We'll put this aside. And as you can see, one of the port, and it's quite long. I feel it's around 1.8 meters. We'll connect this here like this, and I'll show you my wall plug. So as you can see, my friends, my home wall plug is like this, so I can use both American Standard connector as well as other connectors. So I will just push this here as it is done, and I will switch it on. And now let me put this aside. Now we will connect this here. Let me pull this tab here. Okay, I'm not opening up right now. I will do that later on. Just I need to check this charger. Need to connect this in this way. Put this here. I have my Pixel here, as you can see here. And now we will drop this phone here. So it is charging. Okay, it's asking me too many options here, as you can see here. Do more while charging. So set up a Pixel stand for easy access to your Google Assistant. You can also wake up gently to light-based alarms and get full screen experience of music, photos, and more. So what will go next? I need to put my pin here. So I'll skip this part. So I give in my pin here. Just a sec. Access your assistant with voice match. I haven't done that yet, but it's asking me to do a unique model of voice search. Keep in mind, no thanks. Allow personal results when using a Pixel stand. Okay. Turn on do not disturb while on Pixel stand. Okay. Why should I turn on while it is on Pixel stand? I don't know, but notification will be turned off when your phone is using this Pixel stand. Maybe we should go with turn on. Later on I will change it if I have the options there. Okay. Wake up with sunrise. Set your screen to slowly brighten when warm colors just before your alarm goes off. Okay, good thing. Ready to go. So I said try to say okay Google to set alarm. So here we go, friend. It's already set up. Now I will ask him, okay Google. It's not working because I haven't added my voice to it. I need to click here. Set alarm for tomorrow morning 6 a.m.
Alright, your alarm set for tomorrow at 6 a.m.
So it is done. As you can see, I can show you the alarms here. See, it is set here. So in this way, this Google stand will work, and whenever you put it on, it will go to silent mode or do not disturb, whatever you want to do. You can change this settings later on while going inside the settings. So there are two types of setting: put phone mute, turn on. It is there. So you can go ahead at the accessibilities and settings here. 1 minute, let me show you. So if you want to change the settings of your Pixel stand, then you can just click on this display here, go the gear icon here, and you can change your settings like screen on, screen off when dark. Like if your room is dark, then the screen will switch off. You can also on that option that we're getting when we're dark, it will go to the do not disturb mode. You can also add as a photo frame, like photo frame on a main display, so it will show the photos that is available on your phone, and it will work as a screensaver. Also, sunrise alarm is something like this. It will glow the screen from dark to light. So these are the features that we get with the Pixel stand. I think Google has done a good thing for this device, but Google, I would like to share that this stand you have made, but it is not that much of rigid, it is like moving up and down, like sometimes while in sleep, if you push it like this or something, then it will break. Rather you should do the stand like the Samsung does with them. Let me show you the Samsung stand. So this is the Samsung wireless charger that I have. Let me show you. Let me move this phone here to my other wireless charging. So as you can compare here, this is the normal wireless charger that we get with a Google Pixel, but the Samsung has done a good job. It can both can be used as a flat, and you can also push this like this and pull it up, so it becomes a stand now. But the thing is, difference is that this moves like this, but you can, as you can see, I can push it, but I no need to worry about breaking this charger, because there is the protection and mechanism here to protect that. If I push it hard, then it will automatically become flat, so it will not break the charger. Rather, Pixel charger stand is very sophisticated. I would like to say it is very sophisticated. So thank you for watching, my friends. This is the Google Pixel stand, and you can get it if you want it. You can get it from Amazon.com right now, and it is shipped to India, to any of the India address. You can check it out with your pin code adding there. So thank you for watching, my friends. Do subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, do ask freely. I will be very happy to help you out. Bye bye.